Let's do this Cate Lebon song, Remembering Me. I'll do a little demo and then I'll teach it to you. In the remake of my life, I'm moving straight lines. My hair was beautiful, my eyes were slow. I had the heart of a thunderclap. How about that? My blood from the letter, the flesh of the moment. Upset and out of touch. Good grief, you miss so much. Oh, louder, the empty rooms, face down in heirlooms. Oh, remembering me. Okay, so that's basically the whole song. It's a very highly produced song, so it sounds very complicated. But it's kind of like, I would say, in the style of like David Bowie's Berlin funk kind of years. So it starts on E minor. You can play E minor 7 if you want. It's optional. There's the D. Then it goes to C. And then C major 7. You just pick up your index finger. And that repeats. And then for the chorus, it goes to A major. And that it sounds so funky because I think you'd normally be playing at A minor. So by playing A major, it sounds kind of funky. And it just goes to C. Remembering me. C. And then when it goes to the back to the verse, it goes to A minor. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.